Hi everyone, my name is Ani Relkar and I'm an affiliate marketer. One of the main reasons I tried this program is because as opposed to other programs, this program was different in the sense that Dan, Kevon and Desmond spent time with you personally training you. The biggest impact this program has had on me is that my attitude towards money has definitely changed, and I also realize that I have a lot to be grateful for. And throughout the program, Dan gives you all these little nuggets of wisdom that you can apply to anything, not just high ticket sales. A year from now, I see myself closing high ticket deals for my business and replacing my job income. If you're unsure about whether you should try this program or not, I would say sign up for the program, attend the webinars, do the assignments, and I'm sure you'll be successful. Good luck. Thank you.